Hey everyone, this is the hydrophobic and the hydrophilic substance video explanation. Hydrophobic tends to repel or fail to mix with water. It's derived from the Greek word hydrophobos, meaning dreading or fearing water. It's also known as hydrophobicity. Hydrophobic molecules or substances are nonpolar. They're a formation of micelles, which are molecule clusters in colloids, and they bond to other nonpolar substances. They encourage molecular folding, and they become useful for amino acids and proteins. Examples of hydrophobic substances are alkanes, which are hydrocarbons such as methane, ethane, propane, and butane. Oils, such as mineral oil, vegetable oil, and tung oil. Fats, which molecules joining fatty acids with glycerol. Waxes, paraffin, carnauba, and beeswax. Greases, lithium, calcium grease, sulfonates, lithium complexes, and pre-fluorinated oils. They also are steroids, which are progesterone, testosterone, and other hormones derived from naturally hydrophobic cholesterol. Hydrophobic interactions happen between two or more nonpolar molecules in water because of the tendency to repel water. It creates a fold in a particular way, or molecules stick together and try to avoid the polar environment as much as possible. For hydrophilic substances mix with or dissolve in, or they have the ability to be wetted by water. They're also known as hydrophilicity. Hydrophilic molecules must have a charge, either positive or negative, in order to interact with water, which is polar, which means that the molecule is both positive and a negative. Examples of hydrophilic substances are protein, wool, keratin, cotton, silica, gypsum, polyethylene glycerol ether, polyacrylic amide, gelatin, alcohols, starch, and those are just some examples. Hydrophilic substances are also considered thermodynamically favored. Because water acts as a solvent, they form what are known as hydrogen bonds with water, which dissolves them. Because hydrophilic molecules are polar in nature, it makes it easy to form hydrogen bonds. A hydrogen bond is an electrostatic attraction between a hydrogen atom in a polar molecule and an electronegative atom in another molecule of the same or a different polar substance.